First, we'll take out the brackets. There's one bracket right there. And then there is second bracket right besides that also needs to be pulled down. Once both brackets pulled down, notice from here we'll grab the top cover, lift it upside just like that, and then grab it from here, then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the top cover. Now from this edge, notice there's that spot. Just lift up the filter cover like this and then gently pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the filter for this car. Now in my case, the filter has some dirt here. That is fine. We can still use it for 1000 more kilometers. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved side like this stays at the top and the other side with this kind of cover stays at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and punch this filter back where we took it out from. Again, we make sure we lift up the top cover all the way up, punch in the filter in its position all the way, making sure it's in from all over the edges, and it seems like it is. Once the cover is completely in, only then we will go ahead and punch in this top cover. Notice from behind the cover there are actually two tabs. There is one tab right here and the other tab is right there. So these two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions right there. There's one position here and there is the other position right there. So we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover, keeping in mind those two positions are in place. There we got the first tab in place. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the second tab. There it is. Both of those tabs are completely in. Once we got both the tabs completely in position, now we'll press down the top cover and then punch in that bracket. First bracket in place. Similar way we'll punch in the second bracket. There we got both the brackets in place. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.